Menteri Rangba Kajila Konrad Sangma Hanegasngi Ulalum Yagit Jong ki Border Committee Nik Regional Committee Kabalathong da sorkar Jilla Bakin Lake Banjurip ya ki jaka yakajia khappud kata ka Regional Committee Jong West Khasi Hills District ka Janja Hills District bat Jong ka Ribhoi District. Habakaran shigilat patai kubor. Konrad Sangma Ulaong Hadin Balatau Yakini ki Committee Kani kadai kesin kabanengkong ba kila ya shonglang banya perkhan Halor ka jingsham jongki ha ka ba kila jurep syakini ke jaka kibaya ka jia khappud bat ke jela Assam. Nakaliang Konrad Ulaong ru ba kani ke jingya kendo kanlong banya keren kumno banya chakmat ya ke jingya keren bat ke jela Assam Halor ke jingya penbanyo ya uput usam jong kini ki artli ke jela. Habayadai berkejing bom pli jong kato kani ki school bat jaka jngok kai perthai na kaliang Konrad Sangma Ulaong ba ka sorkar kalapan bena bala sha ban pli ya ki school bat ki jaka jngok kai perthai nadu ka sitarik unailur ar hajar ar phuai hanrei ka song hakinong panya jong ki school bat ki jaka jngok kai lakin pli ni kim pli hanrei ka sorkar kala sha yaki ba kin pli.
So there was no finding as such. It's basically the report of the facts that are there. It's too much in micro detail. It goes into the different kind of communities that are settled, the number of villages that are there, the administrative convenience that is there in these villages, whether it's, they're in the Meghalaya census or in Assam census, whether they're taking power from our side or from Assam side. So it's more of a detail on the facts and what the current status of those villages are. So really we went into those details, and of course our officials have made visits to these villages also, and so we got some kind of first-hand feedback also as to the mindset of these villages. But as I said, there are large numbers, so it will not be possible for me to go into details. But my point being that we are very serious about this, and that's the reason why we had this meeting today. And we're hopeful that we'll be able to take this forward and actually find an amicable solution. So basically, the information that has come to us is that the committees are ready and should be notified in the next 24 hours to 48 hours. So it is our notifications have already come out. Now we expect that maybe in the next day or two, we expect that some notification will also come out. As far as my knowledge goes, all the actual homework has been completed, and the notifications are ready, just waiting for the final approval, which again, as I said, I will not be able to comment on the Assam side. But the information to me is that in the next 1 or 2 days it will be notified. We've been very clear with everybody, whether it's tourism or with schools, that the local authorities will have a lot of power to decide what they want to do. So if a particular village in Sora area or in Jente Hills or Ribhoi do not desire that tourists should come in, then they can close their tourism sector. There's no problem in that. Similarly, schools also, if they feel that they don't want to open up, nobody's going to force them. What we are trying to do right now is we're trying to open up in a phase-wise manner and give the flexibility to people who would like to, open up, and at the same time allow people who are not very comfortable with things opening up. We're allowing the flexibility for them not to. So if people from Sora or whichever area, I won't take names, since you mentioned it, I'm just mentioning it, but whichever area it may be, it will entirely depend on them. And if the local area people are not comfortable, then they may close the sector for the time being and see and wait when situation improves or when they feel comfortable.